Rohan is a hardworking software engineer, living alone, juggling deadlines, coding, and late night deployments. But one thing in his home was slowly losing life: his curtains. Dust, stains, kitchen smell. The curtains had become a problem he could no longer ignore. Curtains were not like clothes. They needed removal, special washing, dry cleaning, ironing, rehanging. And Rohan had no time for any of this. He searched for help and found the perfect solution: Doorstep Dry Clean. With just one click, Rohan booked a free pickup. The next morning, the expert team arrived and removed every curtain with care and professionalism. In the workshop, the curtains went through a complete transformation: washed, sanitized, deodorized, and steam ironed. Within days, the curtains returned fresh, bright, and spotless. His home felt new. The air felt lighter. A fresh vibe returned to his life. For curtains, clothes, or shoes, let the experts handle it. Doorstep Dry Clean. Freshness delivered to your doorstep.